What's up, guys? This is my 84 Toyota 4x4. Original owner truck, clean title. It's been sitting since 2005. This does have the solid axle front end. California truck, has some little rust. Nothing like through though. It's not through, but it is complete. Does not run. It has been sitting for 18 years. Pretty darn clean, not bad. Give it a tag, it's 2005. Original paint, never repainted. Comes with the camper shell. Interior's a little torched, but it's okay. Has the original stereo. And it is an extra cab with a solid axle. 22R engine, 4-cylinder. It is clean underneath. The floors are good. No holes in the floor. 22R. But yeah, if you're interested, let me know.